This is a 2023 Kia EV6 protected with a StarLine Pro. So this system allows you to keep your remote parking so you can move the vehicle in and out of spaces. It has a push sequence, has a code. So even if the vehicle's been started using your remote park, as you see, it's already ready. We've moved it with the key. When we select a gear, because we haven't gone through a code, it cuts out. How it works, if someone stole this vehicle, went to drive it away, they'll be able to start it, whether they've got the key, they've ripped the dash in half to try and take it like they did on this vehicle. When they go to put it into gear, it switches off, it's going nowhere. We get some sort of tyre pressure errors and stuff like that, but they clear on a correct start. So to do that, you start the car like normal. We have 1, 2, 3, we wait for a tone, and then it will allow us to select our gear and we'll be able to drive the vehicle and it's going to move. When we turn it off, it takes about 10 seconds to set, and if someone tried again, they're not going to be able to steal it. As soon as they pop it into gear, it's going to switch off. So this allows you to keep your remote start and parking. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. You can choose from a push sequence using factory buttons, pair up your phone through Bluetooth, or have an optional tag that goes on the keys and you don't need to worry about your code. So once again, we start it, select a gear, put it in reverse, vehicle cuts out, it's going nowhere, going to be unable to drive it. To get one of these fitted, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.